What is the equation that tells us about the percent remaining? Oh, both of you can do it in unison.
1 over 2 to the x. I said it first.
Elena said it better.
Oh. Them's fighting words.
Okay.
I fully recognize that if I were to give you a value for y, most of you likely would not be able to solve for x if the value for y did not work out to be a perfect square, right?
Yeah.
So what I mean is if I were to give you like 0.25 as your value for y, what's 0.25 in fraction form? You guys can solve for x here, right? You're all like, okay, sure, I'm comfortable with that. And if I gave you something like 1 over 1/16, you could solve for x, right? Okay. At about 1/32, that's where most of us stop in our comfort. And that's okay, we're not going to push you past 1/32. I promise I will not give you anything that does not work out to be something that is nice and perfect and even. So I'm not going to give you like 1/7. It wouldn't be mean, it would just require you knowing how to solve log base 2, and I don't know that all of us do. Is this accurate? Okay.
It's a type of math problem.
It is a type of math problem, so all I'm really asking is, are all of you comfortable with this level of using the equation? If we're all comfortable at this level, life is good. Okay. The next question I have for what should I fill in here? Okay, so I should have an x and a y. What should I put on x? The exponent, okay. What exponents did we do yesterday?
0, 5.
Number of half-lives? Oh, I forgot to ask you if x was up and down or back and forthy. I just gave you the answer. Sorry. Well, if I said horizontal or vertical, half of you would be like, which one's that again? But if I say up and downy and back and forthy, all of you are like, yeah. So what numbers go there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1. But the 0 is your second one.
0 is right here, right? Or point of origin on this particular graph. Is that always 0? Okay, good. I love when I know that I'm working with your math teachers. It's a beautiful thing. Whole numbers on our y-axis?
1. You start at 1 at the top, then you go 1/2. You could go by quarters. 1, 4, 1, 8, 1/16, then 1/32. 16, 1/32.
Where's my first dot go?
0 on the 1. Exactly on the line for the 1.
And my second dot.
1, 1.5.
You even did it in proper coordinates. Look at you.
2 quarters. 2 1/4. 3 1/8.
Oh.
4 1/6.
Ugh.
Small number. Me too. 6 5 30 across. 5
Either way you solve these problems, either using the equation or using the graph, I do want to make sure you know how to show your work. That is one nasty, dirty little trick I do share in common with your math teachers. I want you to show all of your work. It's the only way to get credit. So, with your partner at your table, solve this. If, just to make sure, because remember we said show all work, 11/460 divided by 5/730 is 2 half-lives. 1 over 2 to the 2 is what? 1/4. 0.25, 1/4, right, of 300.
That's just fun.
75 grams, agreed? Fantastic.